What is going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2013, it's a Ford F150, and we have this truck today because it has a problem with the cluster. I don't know if you can see right here, but the white lights stay on all the time, and the customer is complaining battery drain overnight, and I believe this is the cause why. Actually, this truck comes from a dealership, so we got this truck from the customer. He took it to the dealership and he said that he spent almost $2,000 on this truck to fix that problem, and they couldn't fix it. They changed body control module, ignition switch, and another bunch of other things. So I already actually found the problem with this truck. So the problem is gonna be here. Let me just go to the other side and I'm gonna put some light so you can see what's going on. Alright, so we are on this side and I'm gonna show you really quick what is the issue with this truck and why the light stays on all the time. So over here we see that we have some indications of coffee spill, and you can tell right away. So over here we have a switch right here, if you can see it right there. This switch tells the computer that the car is in park. So when you move the leveler, the shifter like that, you have this thing, you move it like that. So when you go to park, this thing goes all the way up, but I don't know if you can see right there, the switch is messed up. So that's why the truck thinks it's not in park and still in a drive or reverse. And also on the cluster you have the P, R and all that. It could say that it's in park, but it's actually not telling the computer that it's in park. So as you can see right there, that's the switch. And I noticed this right away when I removed this. I noticed a little bit of pieces of plastic that were apart, and actually put them right here. These are the little pieces. So what happens is, over time of using this thing, just the plastic pieces are too weak and they start to break. And I actually have the new part over here, and I'm gonna show you right here how it looks like, working fine. So when I remove it and you hear that little click, that little click is a switch, and that's working very good, and that one's not broken. So you can see here it's on that position. I'm gonna disconnect this and I'm gonna connect that one just to show you that this thing is gonna work. Alright, so as you can see here, what I did is I just connected this with the new one, and once you do this, once you press, you can see the light come on in a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna move it and just show you really quick that the light is gonna turn off. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so here I replicated the problem. It's actually in reverse right now. So I'm gonna leave this press, which is the switch for that thing. I'm gonna put it in park, and I'm gonna release it, and you're gonna see the lights go off. As you can see, it goes off. If I move it, it goes on and off, and that thing tells if it's in park or not. So as you can see, that's the whole problem with this car. If you have an issue like this, I would suggest try this first. The bezel is really easy to remove. Let me see if it's right here. It only has clips around, and as you can see, it's full of coffee. So it just has clips. So it's like this, like that, and you just have to pull it from this like that, and put the truck in neutral. That way you can remove that thing from the shifter. Alright guys, so I hope this information is very helpful for you. If you're diagnosing this problem, this is a good start. If you have uh, the lights on and the battery is just discharging overnight, then you might check this first. You can have the same problem. It might still look the same, like uh, clean and all that, but the switch in there is gonna go bad over time. Alright, so just keep that in mind and just give it a check. Alright, so in order to remove this shifter, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna have to lift this a little bit. You gotta release the clips on the side, and once you release that, you're gonna remove this from over here. See if you can see right there. So I already removed this. Just use a screwdriver to pop this out, and over here you have another clip right there. So you have to use a prior like this, and when you're lifting, just push the little clip in there and it's gonna release the cable for the shifter. So it's pretty simple, not too hard. Once you release it, let me see, just do it this. I'll probably need to remove this, but let me see if I can do it with one hand. This is hard to film with one hand and work at the same time. So I guess I managed to remove it. So yep. So this is pretty much how you remove it, and to install it is the reverse, not too hard. So yeah, this is the bonus video for you. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. I hope you liked the information. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and turn on notifications on so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.